Okay, this is the next day. This is just to show you how quickly the stream goes back in its banks. This is exactly where we were looking yesterday. And as you can see, the waters have indeed receded. And here's our lower level. And the water's all gone. So is our straw bales, and our fireplace benches, and the wood we had down there. What a difference 24 hours makes. And just to show you that the cat sanctuary was never in any damage, and any danger I should say. There's the old shed. And there's the cat sanctuary. So there's Catnip Hill. So as you can see, there's the cat yard. The water was never close to the cat yard at all. It was close to that old shed, but we were not in danger. And that's it. Have a good day.